Now we'll talk about what happens in the factory. And this is a double lecture with 2 films. The first one will be this one, where I talk generally about it, and the next one you will see a film that I have made for explaining the different stages of what happened in a factory when ordering garments. Now, factory, a separate thing, but I will tell it first. In a factory you have samples, and we always talk about G0, G1 and G2 samples. Different players will, different companies will use different names. The G0 are the samples that's done in the factory and never shown to you, even you have ordered. It's just for them to understand what you have ordered and to help them in their planning and so on. See the production methods they may use and how to plan the production line and so on. G1 samples are something that can be showed to you, but it's done in an early stage. They may not have the material inside. It means it may be done with another fabric than you are going to have. It may be missing some accessories like buttons, zippers, whatever it is. And you get it to see, so you see they are on the right way, you can see the measurements, you can see have they understood it right, you give some feedback on that. And finally comes the G2, who is also known as a PP sample, pre-production sample. That's when everything is in-house and they can make samples exactly how they plan to produce it. And when you get this sample, you look very careful on it, and based on this you give it approval. Go ahead, or you have to change this and that. And that's your last chance before the production starts, that you give your approval to say. And remember this, when you have given them approval, you have given approval. As a company buying from a company, or even if you don't have a registered company yet, you have no consumer rights. Forget everything about consumer rights. This is a business deal, and you have to be mature. And when you say, yes, I accept it, you have accepted. Then if you are later getting a t-shirt and there was too hard material in the round necked t-shirt, then you can't get it over your head, it's your fault because you approved that sample. You must test it, you must see it. Is the shrinkage, is the bleeding color, is it everything, every detail of that you have to find out. And when you are satisfied, then you give it go ahead, and then they have to produce it. If they then produce something else than the samples you have get, then you can complain, then you can protest, then you can go to court or whatever you need. But as long as you have approved a PP sample or G2 sample, then you have approved it. So be very careful there that you approve the right thing. When it's approved, the factory will buy the material if they don't have done it already. They will get maybe these accessories like buttons and so on. They will make a production. Maybe there will be some printing depending on what you are doing and so on, embroidery, whatever. And then when things are produced, it needs to be checked. And when they have been checked, it maybe need to be washed or then packed, and then packed in boxes, and then all the way until it's ready for sending out, and it will be sent out. Now, one more thing. In production, when you are a new startup and maybe not placing a very big order, but still it's okay order, still remember, you have to queue to the production normally. Sometimes, even if it goes quickly to make your order, you have to wait in the queue for a gap in the production or until it becomes your turn. And in factory will give priority to big orders over small orders, like you will give priority to big customers over small customers, volume-wise. So this is important to understand, that you, as a startup, you need to have some extra time because it may take longer than you believe in the factory. We come back to time issues later. So you have to understand that this is a process and see the next film now directly, so you understand how it can look in a factory and process that understanding and plan it accordingly.
Music, sweet music, is a gateway drug to consciousness. Is a gateway drug to consciousness. Is a gateway drug to consciousness. Lips of God. Lips of God. I can see, I can breathe the air. I can see, I can breathe the air that fuels the fire of life. Lips of God. Lips of God. Lips of God. Lips of God. Whisper the words we choose to say before the dreams fade away. Let them hear what we have to say before the dream fades away. Dream fades away. Dream fades away. Lips of God. 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 Music, sweet music, is a gateway drug to consciousness. Is a gateway drug to consciousness. Is a gateway drug to consciousness. Lips of God. Lips of God. I can see, I can breathe the air. I can see, I can breathe the air that fuels the fire of life. Lips of God. Lips of God. say before the dream fades away. Dream fades away. Dream fades away. lips of God. 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 Music, sweet music, is a gateway drug to consciousness. Is a gateway drug to consciousness. Is a gateway drug to consciousness. Lips of God. Lips of God. I can see, I can breathe the air. I can see, I can breathe the air that fuels the fire of life.
On our webpage, you are finding the questions that are related to this film. So go to our webpage to see the questions you should answer.